Hello guys, today we make invert sugar. All pastry, modern dessert now use invert sugar. Why invert sugar? In this video will tell you why invert sugar, how to make it the easy way, and which uses to take this invert sugar. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I'm Pastry Champion of Africa 2011. You will never forget this channel because you will find everything about sugar, chocolate, bread, praline, name it. You just ask and it will be ready. Recipe is very easy. 400 gram sugar, 210 water, pinch of tartaric acid, cream tartar or citric acid, less than 1 gram. Invert sugar is to invert the sugar. The sugar consists of molecule of glucose and fructose or saccharose. So now we reverted so to put separate the glucose and fructose because we're using acid. Example, if you know water consists of H2O, 2 molecule of hydrogen, 1 molecule oxygen. That's water. But when you boil water, it's evaporate. So it goes back to the first basic. This is what we do. I brush the edges to clean the water because it have small sugar, it will crystallize and it will change the color. And this white foam come from the bleach they added to the sugar. So we must clean it as you see. And then we will have the acid will help us to make invert sugar. You can use invert sugar in all praline recipe because it gives nice taste of sugar and also extend the shell life of the praline. You can use it for Jocondo, it gives more moisture and they make it so easy taste. You can use it in marshmallow, you can use it in many recipe. Invert sugar, or they call it tourmaline, is the best sugar to use, and here very easy to make. You cook until 113 centigrade, that's it, and then we cool it down. We keep in jar. You can keep it in plastic container when cool down, and you can use it. In this video and in my video YouTube channel, I will added many recipe consist of tourmaline, praline, gianduja, bonbon, marshmallow, a lot of recipe we will use together tourmaline, and it will becomes really nice. When is come hot, I keep it 10-15 minutes to cool down, then I will pour into the jar, and in this time I can use it when I need. Also you can use it as a syrup for some cake with adding some juice. And this is all about tourmaline. Please have a look in my channel. We have one section for bread, cookies, pastry around the world. Everything you imagine in pastry you will find in my YouTube channel. As my father always say, don't work harder, but just work smarter. Tourmaline or invert sugar from A to Z, you will really enjoy to make it. Thanks for being my channel, Ahmed Younes.